Have you ever felt the tug of wanderlust, the call of the open road, the yearning to explore breathtaking destinations? In this journey, we unveil 10 spectacular places, each promising an unforgettable adventure. From bustling cities to tranquil islands, ancient wonders to modern marvels, these are the places where dreams take flight and memories are made. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the heart of these extraordinary locations, revealing their hidden treasures and inspiring your next great escape. Ah, Paris. The name evokes images of elegant boulevards, charming cafes, and iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. Explore the Louvre Museum, wander through Montmartre, or lose yourself in the beauty of Notre Dame Cathedral. Indulge in pastries at a local patisserie, or savor a romantic dinner cruise along the Seine River. Journey to Bali, the island of the gods, where spirituality and natural beauty intertwine. Imagine strolling through emerald green rice terraces, witnessing sunsets over ancient temples and immersing yourself in Balinese culture. Dive into the crystal clear waters, explore hidden waterfalls, or relax on pristine beaches under the Balinese sun. Prepare for sensory overload in Tokyo, a fusion of ancient traditions and futuristic wonders. From the neon-lit streets of Shibuya to the tranquility of the Imperial Palace Gardens, Tokyo is a city of contrasts. Experience the bustling energy of Tsukiji Market, find peace at Meiji Jingu Shrine, or ascend the Tokyo Sky Tree for panoramic views. Santorini, Greece, a vision in blue and white. Perched atop volcanic cliffs, Santorini is an island of breathtaking beauty with whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches. Explore Oya and Fira, wander through ancient ruins at Akrotiri, or relax on the unique beaches of Red Beach and Parissa. New York City, USA, the city that never sleeps. Experience the energy of New York City, a global metropolis that pulsates with life 24/7. Catch a Broadway show, ascend the Empire State Building, or wander through Greenwich Village. Rome, Italy, the eternal city. Step back in time in Rome, a city steeped in history, art, and culture. Explore the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Sistine Chapel, and indulge in delicious Italian cuisine. Sydney, Australia, where urban sophistication meets natural beauty. Experience the vibrant energy of Sydney, blending urban sophistication with breathtaking natural beauty. Take a harbour cruise, learn to surf at Bondi Beach, or explore the Royal Botanic Garden. Cape Town, South Africa, a city of dramatic landscapes and rich history. Nestled at the foot of Table Mountain, Cape Town offers breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Take a cable car to Table Mountain, visit the penguins at Boulders Beach, or explore the Cape of Good Hope. Dubai, UAE, a city of luxury and innovation. Prepare to be dazzled by Dubai, a city of soaring skyscrapers and luxurious resorts. Experience Ski Dubai, shop in the Dubai Mall, or escape into the desert for a dune-bashing adventure. The Maldives, where paradise awaits. Escape to the Maldives, a tropical paradise of turquoise lagoons and pristine beaches. Swim with whale sharks, snorkel amidst vibrant coral reefs, or relax in a hammock lulled by the gentle sea breeze. And so, our journey through 10 of the world's most incredible destinations comes to an end. But your own adventure is just beginning. Which of these captivating locations has captured your heart? The world is waiting to be explored. Start planning your next adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Click on the link in the video description for essential travel products to help you organize a happy trip for you and your family.